Hello everyone. So today's video topic is the vitamin deficiency. We all know that vitamins are necessary for the body in very small amount, but if their deficiency leads to various type of deficiency diseases. We all know that the vitamins are basically divided into two types. The first one is the fat soluble and the second one is water soluble. So fat soluble vitamins contains vitamin A, D and K, and water soluble they basically contain vitamin B and C. Fat soluble are very thick, or we can say they are not easy to digest, or if any of these vitamins are taken in excess amount, so water soluble are excreted by the urine. But if fat soluble vitamins are taken in excess amount, so they will not be able to excrete easily, and they will harm the body and sometimes cause restlessness and nausea. Now the topic is about the sources or the uses, or we can say the deficiency disease for these various type of vitamins that are given in this table. So starting with the first vitamin, that is the vitamin A. So vitamin A is basically we get from it the milk, butter, all the dairy products, some type of vegetables, that is tomato, carrot, yellow fruits, that is mango, pineapple and some all. And these vitamin A is essential for our good side. That means this is for the good for our eyes. And the deficiency disease that occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin A is the night blindness. Night blindness is basically a poor vision in night. Basically some people is suffering from the night blindness. That means they are not able to see, or they are not able to judge the object placed in a dark place. So this deficiency disease, that is the night blindness, occur due to the deficiency of vitamin A, and the sources from where we get the vitamin A is all the dairy products and some types of vegetable fruits, and these are essential for the good side, that means for the eyes. Now moving to the next vitamin, that is the vitamin B. If vitamin B complex is getting low inside our body, so how we will able to complete their percentage composition inside our body? By taking the milk, eggs, cheese, meat, liver and some types of pulses. So these all food items contain the vitamin B complex that are good for our digestion growth. And if vitamin B complex is deficient, that means if any of these vitamin B complex is absent, then sometimes it will let the body to suffer from this disease, that is the beriberi. This beriberi is basically a disease in which the person feels some types of nervousness or loss of appetite, and sometimes the body get paralyzed. Now the next vitamin, that is the vitamin C. This vitamin C is also formed in the, or we can say we get it from the ascorbic acid. Now the sources of this vitamin C is the citrus fruit, that means the fruit which contains high amount of fluid, and these are basically sour in taste, or green vegetables and some tomatoes. All these food items or the fruits and the vegetables contain the vitamin C that is good for our muscles and the teeth. And the deficiency disease that occurs due to the deficient of this vitamin C is the scurvy. This scurvy is basically the bleeding of the gums, and sometimes it also swallow the joints of our body. Next, vitamin D. So vitamin D is basically produced by the sun in the skin, and if you want it from the food item, you can consume the milk, yellow part of the egg, yeah, that means the yolk, fish, liver and sunlight. You don't have to eat sunlight, you have to just sit in the morning sunlight. It will helps you to provide the vitamin D, and it will good for the strong bones and the teeth. They basically makes your body strong, or they makes the bones and the teeth strong. If vitamin D is absent, or vitamin D is not properly present inside your body, then the rickets disease can occur, in which the decaying of teeth or the weak bones. These types of signals informs that someone is suffering from the rickets, and this ricket disease is basically occurs in children and in the adult osteomalacia, that is basically in the adult. In this osteomalacia, all these, that means the decaying of teeth, weakening of the bones, these are the main effect that you able to see in the adult. So this occur due to the deficiency of the vitamin D. Now at last, the vitamin K, that is made by the bacteria and that is present in the large intestine in our body, and this can be completed or their composition percentage can be maintained in our body by eating the leafy green vegetables, or that is contains the spinach, which also is good for the iron, and the cabbage, and this helps in our body to maintain the blood clotting. If someone get hurt or someone get scratch in your skin, so from there the blood can flow in a large amount. So the clot process, or we can say the clotting, is very necessary at that point. So this vitamin K helps the body or helps the cell where the cut happens, or if you say that is it is a process by which the body can stop bleeding when a blood vessels is injured. Now this vitamin K deficiency can cause a severe disease, that is the hemorrhage. It means the bleeding. That means it also occurs in the brain, or it can happen in the skin, that is the external, or in the organ, and sometimes in the tissue within the body or internal. So this was about the vitamins and their sources and what they are essential for and good for, and at last the deficiency disease that occurs due to the lack of these vitamins. So all these table represent the vitamins deficiency, and in the next part of the video we will start and continue this with new topic, that is the mineral deficiency. Till then, thanks for watching this video.